Anthropic has updated Claude to invisibly embed a permanent tag into any document it touches. Send your original draft through the model for a quick proofread, and the text comes back bearing a hidden, machine-readable signature. Yet this tracking system contains a massive blind spot, completely failing to detect certain types of rigid professional text. Using generative AI to polish your writing now attaches a secret brand to your work, one that you cannot see, but detection software can. To comply with the European Union AI Act, Anthropic deployed this invisible text watermark across all its Claude models globally. This is a direct response to an industry-wide transparency code, a framework that Google and OpenAI have also signed. The watermark survives when text is copied and pasted between different software environments. It remains intact and detectable even if a human makes light edits to the phrasing. Because the signature is woven into the word choice itself, it becomes a permanent part of the document's DNA, persisting entirely independent of formatting or file type. This table shows how that signature is embedded. During generation, the AI uses a secret cryptographic key to shift its word choice probabilities toward a randomized green list of approved tokens. There are no invisible Unicode characters. The watermark relies entirely on the elevated frequency of these green words. A human writer, typing naturally without access to the cryptographic key, will select their words at random relative to the list, resulting in a roughly even 50-50 split between red and green tokens. The fingerprint exists purely in the mathematical pattern of the vocabulary. A human reader sees normal prose, while a detection algorithm holding the key calculates a statistical certainty of AI involvement. For lawyers and academics and software developers, this introduces immediate friction. Running an original human-authored brief or code file through Claude for a quick polish will result in the final deliverable being flagged as machine-generated. This dynamic shifts the burden of proof entirely onto the human creator, who must now find ways to verify their original authorship against the presence of an AI statistical tag. As major tech providers adopt these tracking standards, the ability to quietly use generative AI as a frictionless background assistant in professional environments is coming to a close. The system does have a proven weakness: low entropy text. When a sequence has only one logically correct next word, the AI cannot apply its probability nudge, and the text passes right through untracked. Mathematical equations, tightly structured JSON data, and highly precise code snippets offer almost zero room for variation. In these cases, the model is forced to choose the single accurate token. The result is a compliance system that effectively polices subjective, creative expression, but lacks the mechanical capability to track objective, technical data. The immediate next phase will see companies releasing public detection APIs, alongside the development of advanced grammar-driven watermarks designed specifically to track programming languages, without breaking the syntax. Simultaneously, a counter-industry is forming around adversarial AI tools, models explicitly trained to rewrite watermark text, scrambling the word choices just enough to strip away the statistical fingerprint. Subscribe to follow these technical policy shifts and understand how AI tracking mechanisms impact professional workflows.